In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to verify your age on Google account. Let's get started. First, launch your Google app. Make sure you are signed in with the account in which you want to verify your age. Click on the profile icon, then select the option Manage your Google account. Now click on the option Personal Info. Scroll down until you find the option of birthday. Click on that. Once again, click on your birthday information. If Google requires age verification for your account, you'll see an option to verify your identity or correct your birthday information. Simply tap on the available verification option to continue. Google may offer two different methods for age verification. You can either verify using a credit card or by uploading a valid government-issued ID. Choose the option that works best for you. If you select the ID verification method, you'll be given the choice to either take a photo of your ID or upload an existing image from a device. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure the information on your ID is clearly visible. After submitting your verification details, Google will review the information you provided. If your ID or verification method is accepted and valid, you will receive an email confirming that your age has been successfully verified. The review process may take some time, so be sure to check your email inbox for updates from Google. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.